नमस्ते, माय नेम इज़ JVN ऋषि गौतम। आज हम बात करेंगे अल्टरनेटिव जर्नलिज़म की। क्या होता है अल्टरनेटिव जर्नलिज़म? किसे कहते हैं अल्टरनेटिव जर्नलिज़म? इन्हीं सब विषयों को आज इस लेक्चर में शामिल करेंगे और हम बताने की कोशिश करेंगे कि अल्टरनेटिव जर्नलिज़म क्या होता है। What constitutes alternative journalism? In the literature, the term encompasses a wide range of practices, from a simple description of the marginal, ethnic minorities, amateur publications, dissidents, etc., to a focus on the type of information presented or the practice of a politically engaged or oppositional journalism. Alternative journalism can refer to an oppositional stance, to a more participatory mode of journalistic practice, to the subject matter being covered, or to the position of its producers outside of dominant media channels, whether commercial or state sponsored. Its definition is complicated by changing political circumstances and by developments within specific media outlets themselves, members of the US-based Association of Alternative News Weeklies, for example, were once embedded within a broader countercultural and dissident movement. Today, more return significant vestiges of that oppositional stance, while others are more focused on arts and entertainment. Media outlets once solidly oppositional can be co-opted into the mainstream, whether as a result of regime change, such as not only the overthrow of dictatorial regimes, but also through elections, changes in ownership, etc. Ethnic and other minority journalists may simultaneously aspire to uphold mainstream journalistic values while implicitly challenging the established order by giving voice to marginalized values, while implicitly challenging the established order by giving voice to marginalized communities, or in the case of emerge publications, they many simultaneously support established option in the new homeland while filling an oppositional role in the home country. Many of these media reach small audiences, whether as a result of government or other external controls, a lack of financing and access to distribution channels to reach large audiences, or a commitment to a deeply participatory communications practice that requires intimacy to succeed. Nonetheless, alternative journalism has been around as long as journalism itself. Alternative journalism began to receive sustained scholarly attention only recently. Most of the literature remains developed to case studies or to histories of particular media organizations with little emphasis on broader processes and trends. However, a growing body of work seeks to develop a theoretical framework in which to understand alternative journalism. Downing 2001 is among the first scholarly works to devote sustained attention to alternative journalism, focusing upon media linked to radical social movements. More recently, Atom 2020 and Aton the Hamilton 2008 aim to better conceptualize alternative journalism and to explore its practice in a rigorous transnational way. Coldry and Curran 2003 offers international case studies grounded in political economy and institutional frameworks, while Ford 2011 focuses on alternative journalism practitioners. Jeppesen 2016, A Typology of Alternative Media, explores their very different motivations and organizational practices ranging from self-realization to social transformation. For those considering a more hands-on approach, Coyer et al. 2007 combines a richly diverse in international coverage and in terms of social forms. Overview of alternative media practices with practical guidance to alternative media production. Downing 2011 offers hundreds of short entries examining theoretical issues and media forms, as well as a diverse array of case studies drawn from around the world. Thank you.